Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable autoplay for animated stickers in Telegram on your PC, especially after the latest update. If those moving stickers feel distracting or you just want a cleaner chat experience, this setting will help you take control in just a few clicks. First, open your Telegram desktop app. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Now, head over to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where you can access all your Telegram options. From here, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Battery and Animations, and click on it. This section is where Telegram lets you control how animations behave, especially if you want to save system resources or reduce visual clutter. Inside Battery and Animations, you'll see a section for animated stickers. Make sure that animated stickers is enabled first. This might sound a bit confusing, but enabling this option allows you to access more detailed controls. Right below that, you'll find the Autoplay and Chat option. This is the setting that controls whether animated stickers start moving automatically when you open a chat. Simply toggle this option off to disable autoplay. Once you've done that, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes.